Guys, all the cars that you see in these videos are for sale on my website, www.woodsandbarclay.com. Enjoy the video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is delivery day for the diamond blue wagon that I picked up out in California. You see I had it shipped in this giant enclosed transport because I definitely wanted this car to be treated right. So let's go ahead and get this thing unloaded, and I'll get it taken back to my shop and we will start work on the car. I've actually used this shipper many times. These guys are outstanding. How many cars you got on here? Six.
How are you?
Good to see you again.
See you too.
What did you think of that station wagon?
Oh, I love it.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
I knew it's going to come to you. Know that? I had a feeling when I saw the car, I said it's going to Georgia. I think I'm exactly to it's going to.
That's funny. He knew it was coming here. No, I think, what was the other one you delivered?
From California, it was an 85 2. It was a 5.6 4-door.
Oh, let's see.
Really low mileage, like 26,000 miles.
Yes. Was that?
I think
that was
you weren't here. You guy was, your detailing guy was here.
Yes. I think that might have been the coupe. I can't remember. We've done so many cars. All right, guys, I'm gonna let him get this thing unloaded and we'll take a look at it. Wow, looks like we got a new Corvette up there. Wait a minute, what is that? Oh, that's a Lamborghini. That's funny. I thought it was the new Corvette. And what do we got right here?
7 Series.
7 Series.
Martin's GT2 RS.
Oh, look at that. GT2 RS is up there. Guys, this is what matters right there. That beautiful wagon. All right, let's go ahead and let him get it unloaded. So guys, here's my office and my bays here. You know, when I'm done with the mechanical work on a car, I'll bring it up here and park it in one of my bays, and then Scott is right next to me. He just comes over here, gets it, brings it into his shop. But today, this one's not staying here. This one's going back to my shop where I do the restorations, which is like 2 miles down the road. And here's my 24-foot enclosed trailer. And you got to carry these cars in enclosed trailers, guys. You don't want any rock chips. You don't want them getting rained on. You know, you want to treat them like the rare, valuable cars that they are. So let me go ahead and get my trailer opened up, and it'll take him a minute to get unloaded here. This is quite a process with these big transports. All right. Wow, check this out. It's remote control. This is the nicest transport vehicle I've seen, guys. Check that out. And there's our wagon. So let's let him go ahead and back it onto here, get it unloaded, and we'll come back in a minute. Actually, I just want to record some of this. It's so cool. This is an elevator he can put into place and then back the wagon onto it, and then lower it down to the ground and then back it off. So cool. So if any of you guys are wondering what it cost, this car came all the way from basically the Los Angeles area all the way to Atlanta. That's a long trip. I was able to get this enclosed transport for $2,100 plus my shipping broker's fee. That for me, that's 150 bucks. I think if you're just an individual that ships every once in a while, it's a little more expensive. So basically, you know, $2,250. But guys, this is the only way to transport one of these vehicles and keep it safe. All right, there you go. He's got it backed out. Look at that. Controlling it from in the car. That is a high-tech rig right there. Guys, look at this beautiful wagon. Diamond blue metallic. That is so rare. Wow, that thing is awesome. Okay, guys, you can see here on the wagon, we have just removed the dash. And Kevin is actually in town. I'm sure you've seen Kevin in lots of videos. Kevin is an excellent mechanic, and right now he's going through the vacuum system in the wagon. You can see we have the door panels off. We're lubricating the regulators, and we're doing all the stuff, lubricating the window regulators, going through all the vacuum pods in the dash. And also today, we're taking the seat out because you can see right there, see how the stitching let go on the pleat? See, the pleats are supposed to look like that, real tight. And some of the stitching let go. So I'm going to take this seat cover off. Well, Kevin's going to take this seat cover off, and I'm going to take it to Jose, and he's going to repair and re-stitch the seat because the MB-Tex is beautiful condition. It just had right there, the stitching came out. So go ahead and take care of that. And the first thing we noticed when we took the dash out was that the center vent pod was disconnected here, and the vent was propped open like that. So we suspect there's some sort of issue going on with this center vent pod. Anyway, Kevin's going to get to the bottom of that. So I'm going to get out of here, let Kevin start doing his thing. But you can see there are several vacuum pods behind the dash. We have one back there. See the pink one there? Then one there. Then one here. And one right down there. Oh, there's two down here. Oh, yeah, there's the other one right there. So there's 5 total. And we're going to test all those. And Kevin, what do you have there?
So vacuum gauge.
That's the vacuum gauge. So what he can do is unplug the vacuum lines and actually test by applying vacuum and seeing if they actually work. And what we can also do is once we verify all the pods are good or replace as needed, we can use the climate control system and press the buttons to see if these solenoids, see those little gold boxes or gold capsules back there? Those are solenoids that redirect vacuum flow to the correct pod. For example, if you hit the center vent button, it is going to go to that solenoid, which is going to open up and allow vacuum to flow here and open your center vent. If you do defrost, it's going to close that solenoid. That's going to release vacuum, and it's going to send vacuum or signal to this solenoid to close, and then that'll open your defrost vent pod, which is right there. And that is these flaps. You can see they're actually open
By default for safety.
by default. That's so anyway, I'm gonna let Kevin get to it. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of the car. Okay, so Kevin has removed the pod for the fresh air flap, and he's applying vacuum to it, and you can see the vacuum gauge is not going up. It's immediately dropping vacuum. So I need to replace this with an old stock pod, or we need to rebuild this one and reinstall it. Kevin, which one are you working on now?
It's the fresh air scoop one. That one works.
There's 2 underneath there. One's the defrost and one is the
Fresh air, the fresh air scoop.
let's see if I can get in
Actually,
there and show
this
you.
is floor. It's floor.
Yeah, there we go right there. So we tested that one and that one up there, and those are both excellent condition.
Yes.
Okay, so we have the driver's seat out of the wagon. And guys, you can see this original blue MB-Tex seat is beautiful condition. But as I was talking about earlier, what happened, you can see how these pleats are nice here. Keep in mind, I haven't cleaned it yet. All this gets cleaned during the detail stage. But see the outer pleats here and here? We think the stitching, the internal stitching ripped here and here. And see how it like flattened out those pleats? So Kevin is going to take apart the seat. He's going to pop off the panels and take out the 13 millimeters and remove the seat back from the seat bottom. And then we're going to remove the MB-Tex cover, see what's going on. And I'll take it over to Jose at the upholstery shop and he will repair that. Okay, we have the seat back off. And now Kevin is prying the little plastic trim piece off the side.
You have to be very careful when you work with old plastic. There you go.
There you go. Guys, you got to be real careful when you're doing that, because you do not want to break this tab off of here.
Now I'm going to pull the seat cover off.
All right, now we got this side cover off here. Now let me show you how he gets this seat cover off. He presses down on the seat and there's a channel. Show him what's in here, Kevin.
It's cardboard.
It's like see that cardboard there slips down into this channel. And if you compress the seat and relieve the tension, you can pull the cardboard out of the channel. There we go. Now, there's our felts that create those pleats that you see from the top.
If we look in here, you'll see, you
Here
can
we
see
go.
they're torn.
There's the torn pleat right over there. Looks like there's
Should be
one
over there.
Yeah,
too,
there's
man.
one torn in the middle too.
So the reupholsterer shop will redo
There we
all
go.
this.
There's where the other one is torn. This internal stitching came out. And that's what we'll show you once this comes off. And now that same cardboard
It's here too. We
runs
do the
along
same
here.
thing. So you just compress it again. Easier with two people because you can hold it down. Come over to your side.
So I'm going to compress it. And Kevin's going to pull that out of the channel. There we go. That is now detached.
So now we just need to, there's usually one hog ring.
I see it right
usually
there.
On the seat spring.
I see it. Oh, what are these here?
Those attach the skirt of the. We're gonna
Leave
give it
those.
to the upholsterer with the whole thing because he can re-hog ring it. when
Okay,
he's,
okay.
done. So I'm just gonna pull it off.
Now we're just peeling it around the spring.
I gotta get the other side. Bring it
All
down.
right.
We gotta pop it out.
There we go. See,
there's
this
a
is.
hog, is there a hog? Yeah, there's a hog ring right there.
Here, let me try to show these guys what you're looking at. There we go. See that hog ring right there? Let me show them, Kevin, before you get in there. Where is it? Ah, that's it right there.
Yeah.
So there's a hog ring holding the foam. You just got to pull that out of there. Here we go.
Is there another one? Yeah, there's another one over here too.
Yep.
Sometimes they go through and get on the seat spring, which you can't pull it off with it on there.
Looks like there's another one.
That one's clear. Okay.
Wow, that spring's in great condition.
It is, yeah. Oh, there is another one over here.
He's got one more hog ring to get out right here. You see it? Oh, there it is. Something's right there. Oh,
Oh, it's back down over here.
I got the seat. There it is.
There it is.
Here, move this plastic. Right here. You got that? There we go. All right, guys, there we go. So we're taking this. That's the seat bottom and everything. I'm just taking the entire piece to the upholsterer. See if we can get in. Ah, there we go. You see how the stitching has ripped, and there's our pleat. And what those pleats do, see, these are in good shape right here. But you can see where that rip is, how it flattened out right there. And that's just because they're old, guys. It doesn't mean the car was abused or anything bad, happened to the car. It's just this is old material under here. It's that's like a canvas.
Yeah.
And it'll deteriorate and rip. So that's Jose will re-canvas all of that and re-pleat all of it. Hey guys, I'm over at Jose's place to pick up the seat bottom for the driver's seat on the wagon. And Jose's got a lot of stuff going on here. There's some seats there. There's Jose. There's some seats there. Looks like more seats over here. All his upholstery stuff here. But that wagon seat is is that it there? Mm-hmm. So guys, Jose actually ordered the matching stitching. And let's show him this thing. Let me get out of your way. But yeah, I just want to show you what it takes to do this stuff correctly. I haven't even seen it. I just know Jose's done it correct. So there we go. Wow, look at that. So guys, he took out the stitching on each one of these in order to stitch back in. You saw underneath. I wonder if can we see underneath there now? Ah, there we go. So you remember the material I showed earlier in the video? It was that, I don't know, what is Mercedes? What is that stuff? Was that a burlap?
No, it's like a polyester material.
Like a polyester, but now this is burlap.
Yeah.
And the burlap, that lasts
long. These last longer. Yeah.
And it's what's funny is U.S. manufacturers were using this on cars back in the 50s.
Back in the 50s.
But Mercedes, I guess, tried to cut some cost and use a cheaper material.
Probably, yeah.
But the U.S. cars actually use that. And you can see it's all back together. And you remember this is the, I think it was this one right here, right? Or was it this one that was really flattened out?
So now if you put it in the sun, you can see the color of the thread right there.
Oh yeah, you can see there's the thread that's back in. It's kind of hard to see on camera. Anyway, we have a nice, good seat now that can go back.
I applied more foam to it.
Oh, nice.
Half inch. Yeah.
Oh, that feels way better. Yeah. So you pretty much restored the seat.
Yes.
You put a half-inch of foam under there.
Yes, it's not just the stitching. It takes
did you repaint the frame?
Yeah.
Nice.
It takes more than that. Yeah.
It looks very good.
Yeah.
Very good. Guys, here's the burlap. That holds up way better. And we were talking about the American muscle cars actually used that back in the day. These are some 1971 GTO seats.
It goes for that car.
Oh, yeah, 71 GTO. But these are the original seats, and you can see there's that burlap. So that's one good thing about the U.S. manufacturers that Mercedes didn't beat. Mercedes beat them out on just about everything except the inside seat materials. Yeah. But yeah, that's the original burlap from 1971.
Yeah.
All right, I'm going to get this back to the shop, and we'll install it back on the seat and get it back in the car.